Today. Good basketball?
Basketball. Real playing today.
Real players today.
We have alumni.
One alumni, one student, 2 student athletes, 1 varsity basketball student. Should we put some seats on the other side of the court?
No, let people stand. Give it people standing up. Give it more of a like in the cage feel. You know, people watch games in the cage. They don't.
Oh, God, glow.
Oh, snap. That's crazy how old
Do you have your jersey? Do you have your jersey?
I'm not playing.
You're not playing?
I have a shift to go do from 5 to 11.
He not real.
How you doing?
Just says, hey.
Today. Basketball. Real playing today.
Real players today.
Yeah.
Hey. Good. Kids upstairs on the song.
Real players today.
So Charles, I'm not playing by the way. Any idea? You don't know? Really?
They were practicing, and Ian was talking. While Ian was talking to them, there was a select few students or basketball players talking on the sideline.
Get them stairs.
You ran those stairs.
Y'all didn't run the stairs.
Yeah, I did.
Who didn't?
Who what?
Somebody didn't run the full stairs.
I knew I was here first, like always.
They were being disrespectful. Ian got mad. Only with one word, he was gone. Jube,
He's going today.
I don't know his last name.
He doesn't have
He was the
one.
first kid back up. This guy right here, his name is Guy. That's a funny thing.
Yeah.
This guy name is Guy.
Wait, this is the black Tweety Bird.
Yeah.
Right here.
Him and Kyle Kemp were racing, and he lost.
They didn't go all the way down. Baseline.
Nah, baseline time.
Now it's time to go to the baseline.
I don't care about excuses.
This junior varsity team hasn't won a game yet. They have to get more aggressive.
Defense like that.
Usually, guys, you say a bunch of agility out, but he's right.
Get your foot off the court.
You make the next person on the court, you doing steps. Yeah. That's gonna be the tech. That's gonna be the practice tech. I gotta keep saying he's gonna do steps. He's all the way out there. Why go? Okay. Yo, you're not letting me get hot. You're over it. You're not. Yo, don't that's what I'm gonna do.
Hold that. Leave it to Charles, muscle man layups. Look at this guy. Neanderthal.
I do this for my love for Coach James, best coach I ever had. Took me out of the streets. I'm clean now, man.